the way you went. Yes, the topic is very interesting and it is something that is very close to my heart. It is something that changed my life. But before going to that, let me go back to the old normal, the normal that we used to think that how things work. We can easily come, we can meet everyone, and that was the way how things were working. As I am a project management consultant, most of the time my work was face to face, just like you guys. I was going to the people, meeting the people and solving their problem. I love to give like keynote speaks at various topics, but everything was going smooth. Suddenly on 23rd of March, the 23rd of March 2020, everyone knows what happened. Everything got locked down, and where my income, my revenue was skyrocketing, and suddenly they were went to zero. Now I have to reinvent myself. I have been talking about VUCA times and things like that, how to handle the volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous environment. Now I have to implement all those things in my life. I did some soul searching, and I know I have to make a living. If I want to work in the COVID time, I need to find a way. So what I did, I started doing trainings of PMP. That's the best thing I knew. I know one thing for sure. I believe it on this religiously. Now this thing, if all of you guys can take this thing at your home and implement this thing in your life would be impossible. Your life would be so marvelous that you can become the top 1% in your field. And the things come like this. If you work on your weaknesses, if you work on your weaknesses, you will become ordinary. But if you work on your strengths, we become extraordinary. Now, if you let's explore this thing, then we will go through the success coaching system and how you can do it yourself. Why don't you do your own SWOT analysis? And if you want to do your own SWOT analysis and it is more eye opening, you can ask your friends, what are my strengths? What are my weaknesses? How the market present opportunity to me? How markets give threat to me? Now that will be an easy SWOT analysis. You can do it yourself by 5 minutes soul searching. Ask your close friends, your spouse, your parents. They will tell you something that you can do it. For example, even when I became a keynote speaker, my mother used to say that you always keep on talking. You always keep on talking. And I have done this 10 years ago, that I put that I want to have this platform where I can speak and make this thing as my career. So I did that. I started becoming a speaker and I did the same thing in 2020. I started working with the students and I did one on one, since no one wants to spend the money. So I started doing this coaching as one to one on PMP and then on various other topics. Now what happened? One thing that was ingrained in me from like childhood, like if you are the fan of cricket or other sports, I was that guy who was always on every cricket team only for one reason. And the reason was that if there's a cricket match tomorrow, I would wake up early and I would wake everyone up. So if I put it more in the terms of professionalism, I was good at follow up. So I knew that thing, and it was not something that I do it to make fun. It is something that was ingrained in me. It was my strength. I knew that I can do follow up. So where everyone else, the entire market was providing that trainings and things like that. We are the cheapest. We are the cheapest. I never played that market. In any market, wherever I went there, even I am a starter, I went there and I started as a premium because I knew I can provide that specific thing, that follow up. I started doing this thing with one student. One student came, he cleared, and then next student, and then next student. And I didn't know actually what was happening. I was doing one thing, and that is I was doing my best in that certain system. Then when the things keep on happening, I started identifying the pattern. that there was a certain pattern that I am doing, which is giving me success again and again. So you see, guys, in any field, one time success is very easy. You can do it, like maybe you go to the gym and or you go to the hilly mountains, and 4 5 days you travel very good, you do things that are impossible, but keep on doing certain thing with 100% success or close to 100%, because I was getting like 99.5 success rate. And even today in my domain, in project management, in PMP domain, where people does not have the real 70% success record, I have success record of 99.5%. And all this goes back to only one thing. I sit together, I identified what is my USP and why I am doing that, and then I came up, or I would say that I took from all the great author. Another strength of mine, I read books a lot. As you can see that these three books I am currently reading, I'm never reading one book. I got bored. Now, as I am saying again about strength and weaknesses, something I knew about myself, I get bored very easily. Yes, I am a millennial. I am from that generation who get bored in 15 seconds. So I know that. So I am always reading 3 to 4 books with the goal setting, like how much I have to do in a particular time. So I started working on a system, and finally I identified, okay, this is a system on which I am working. And if I can do that system to other organization, to other things, can I achieve the success? Now, amazingly, I did. I started working out since 2020 was not only bad for COVID, it was bad for other health. Everyone started gaining weight because we have actually nowhere to go, and only the Amazon, the food delivery, wherever you have, we had Food Panda, we had other services that were providing Cheetah and things like that. We don't have to go outside. The junk food and everything was being delivered, and gyms were closed, everything was closed. So I also started working on my health on that particular system. So this is very important, guys. I did not put this thing at a large context. Initially I tried my success coaching system with one student, then with my own health, then in 2021 I started with one organization. As I am providing consultancy services at various organizations, I started working with one organization, and then slowly I scaled it. And amazingly, every single time, every single time it works. So the goal is here that you identify how it can works for you. The step number one for this success coaching system is to identify one particular area, not 10, not two, not three, one particular area that you are already good in. And if you don't know, and one more thing before moving forward, it does not have to be a passion that I am passionate about this thing. Most of the time, our generation is always looking toward this hot thing that this is my passion. No, no, no. As Seth Godin in his book, The Practice says that you need to do your job. You need to do that task in which you are good at. If you are good at something and that is your passion, then that's an amazing thing. But even if that is not your passion, start working on that one particular thing that is your strength. Like the things like you do it for free. For example, I was doing coaching even today, I give my number everywhere. You go to my YouTube channel, I will give you a link. I put my number everywhere. I put my email address everywhere. It's not good for my health to all the time. I am working 16 hours a day, 7 days a week because I love what I do. But I do it for one particular reason, for my practice. So before moving forward, let me show you how that success coaching system work and how you can make this your success coaching system. And that is my goal of this keynote, that is the goal of this talk, that you can use this success coaching system, and by analogy of this success coaching system you can develop your own success coaching system. I guess I can share my presentation. Yes, I am. So if you want to find me at social media, at all the social media, Insta, LinkedIn, YouTube, even my email address is ameralipmp. So you can find me. Okay, now let's talk about the success coaching system. This is the final success coaching system that I developed for my trainings, which has been working enormously well, both financially and also for other people. And always remember one important thing whenever you are developing a product, how this product give value to the end customer, how you are adding value to the life of the other person. If you are not adding life value to the other person, then you are not doing something good. At least even you are working for one person, that is awesome. The first thing that you need to understand when you are working on a success coaching system is that you need to work on 1% improvement. Now, what do I mean by 1% improvement? Most of the time, whenever we try to do something, we take, yeah, Kamal, domino effect. I'll come to that. Whenever we want to lose weight, what do we search? Just go and YouTube on Google it, how to lose weight. What are the first 10 links you get? Do put in the chat box. What are the first 10 links or first four links you get when you put how to lose weight? The links would be something like that: how to lose weight in 1 week, how to lose weight in 4 days, how to lose x pound in 4 months or 4 weeks, not 4 months. What they are trying to do here, they are trying to play your mind. You need to understand something very important: anything that is significant in your life, anything that can add value in your life, it will take time. So what you need to do, take out that goal, whatever your goal is, divide it into smaller parts and start working on it one time, 1% at one time. For example, if I want to do 500 push-ups, I cannot do 500 push-ups. So should I leave that goal? No, 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 no. Take the goal, divide it into, maybe you want to do after 6 months, put a deadline to that goal. Take that goal, divide it into small parts, and today do only one push-up. Now, once you start doing one push-up, your mind will say that it is nothing, I can do that. Now the resistance that your mind is playing, you will start fighting that resistance. Now the next day, just do one thing, two push-ups, nothing more. You are adding one push-up into one. Now your mind said that, okay, I did one push-up yesterday, I can do two. Next day, add one more to it. Two plus one, three. Then add again, then add, then keep on adding. And with the power of compounding, amazingly, you will start having amazing effect. And that's 1% daily improvement, which we call in our technical term as Kaizen, continuous and never ending improvement. Whatever you are doing, you need to find out how you can develop a framework in which you can continuously work on this thing. Now, even if you are a YouTuber or you are author, whenever you will make a YouTube video, guys, I have 1000 YouTube videos. Yesterday I reached to 1000 videos. Out of 1000 videos, 700 videos have less than 20 views. It does not matter to me. Why? Because among those 1000 videos, 100 videos are which have more than 5000 or 10,000 view. And in my domain, that is project management, I am not doing any entertainment. 5000 view means a big thing. So this happens only because of 1%. You keep on doing on continuous improvement, continuous improvement. Even today, I am doing daily minimum one video. It can be 1 minute, it can be 1 hour. That is continuous improvement on building on that. Now, when you keep on doing that, then you can have this domino effect. I cannot tell you when exactly it will happen for you, but the domino effect will start happening for you and your system will start working on that. Now, in my case or in your case, the most important thing is follow up. For example, you cannot do it yourself. In PMP terms, my students cannot study themselves. I need to get the follow up from them. Or if you are doing it for now, I also have to be accountable to someone. I have a coach. I meet to my coach twice a month. Twice a month, we meet just for 1 hour and we discuss our progress. You need to do this thing. When you are building something, step number one, SWOT analysis. Step number two, Define your goal, make a continuous improvement. Step number 3, do it on daily basis to continuous improvement. Step number 4, follow up. You need to have an accountability partner. It can be your spouse, it can be anyone. Now, Marshall Goldsmith, who is one of the top executive coach in the world, he made this platform. He called it. He also called it success system. Uh, Basically, when you have an accountability partner who is gonna ask you daily, weekly, monthly, the frequency you decide. The question he's gonna ask you, you decide. The best way is to have a daily conversation with your partner, the way I am doing with my student. We have a 1 to 5 minute call and we only ask 3 questions, 3 up to 5 questions, and we have taken this practice from the scrum. You can say what you did yesterday, what you are going to do today, and do you see any impediment or roadblocks or something like that. Now that is the exact framework which we use in daily stand-up. I modify it according to my need. Instead of 3 questions, we put 6 questions and we answer those 6 questions. Like if there are any impediments, if there are any roadblocks in your way, how the coach can help. Now, interestingly, coach will not tell you the way. Coach will do brainstorming session with you. And once you do the brainstorming session, you will identify which is the best possible way for you. So that's the next step. Follow up with the coach on daily basis, on weekly basis. At least twice a month is the minimum if you want to achieve your goal. Now, I will also put something here, as Elon Musk says, if someone else is working 8 hours and you are working 16 hours a day, what what they achieve in 1 year, you will be able to achieve in 3 months. So interestingly, the same happens to the success coaching system. If someone is doing follow up once a week or twice a month and you start doing on daily basis, amazing things start happen for you. Now, this is the most important thing. This is the what you will say hidden iceberg, the iceberg effect, the thing which destroyed the Titanic. If you don't master this skill, guys, if you want to take something from this call, something from this keynote, master your emotional intelligence, understanding the emotions of yourself. We already talked about SWOT analysis, understanding yourself, self-awareness, then self-management. Knowing yourself does not help if you don't know how to manage it. Then understanding others, the social skill, how you can communicate with the other person, what motivates them, what are the factors that motivate those peoples, and understanding each person is motivated by a different thing, and having the empathy. If they are doing something, they are thinking from their own perspective, there are something that they are doing right or wrong. Your goal in life is to guide them, is to guide, and your coach can do the same thing for you. Having emotional intelligence is the number one skill you can do. And we can have one more session just on emotional intelligence. Then having a mastermind group, having a coalition with those people who think in the same way can help you. And of course, finally, we develop our success coaching system, which can include everything. For example, let me give you my success coaching system that we do for PMP. First of all, you need to make a one stop. If anyone comes to you, you have to make a one stop, like everything you provide. And of course, it has to be premium so that you guys, simple thing, why to go premium and why not to go cheap? Bottom is always crowded. Bottom is always crowded. Going for the premium things always help out. You get only few people. That is a sure thing. If anyone else, if he's in a coaching business or in other business, if they are buying like thousands of things, maybe you will get 4 or 5 clients. But the same thing goes for everything. People buying Tesla or Mercedes or BMW are very few. People buying Mehran, Toyota are very high. But now Tesla is leading the market. So you need to understand, define your way. Again, going back to emotional intelligence. And of course, making all these things on a stance of follow up. And you need to have a claim. That is a very important thing, providing yourself on the hook. What one thing differentiate you? Apart from the follow up, apart from the coaching call, one thing that differentiate you: if someone is with you and they are not successful, if someone decided that they want to go with you, they want to walk with you, and they are not successful, how you are gonna help them, how you are gonna make sure that this thing will be good for them. We did that, and finally what happened? We got 250 certified in 2020, only in 2020. So guys, if you do that, you can easily implement your own success coaching system. Once again, follow a simple path. First of all, do your own SWOT analysis. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Work on your strengths, you will become legendary. Work on your weaknesses, you will become ordinary. And always choose to work on your strength. Then take a goal, whatever you want to achieve, divide it into smaller parts, sequence them, and start working one thing at a time, and keep on doing 1% improvement on daily basis. And the domino effect will start happening. But understanding this thing, having the humility to understand that you cannot do it alone in the your success journey. Success is not incremental like this, it is like this: up down, up down, up down. You need to have an accountability partner, you need to have a coach who can guide you. So have a coach, have a mentor who can make a follow-up system with you. With a coach, follow-up system is extremely must. If you don't do, you cannot do that thing. Having a daily practice, what you are going to do on daily basis, is almost most important. It cannot build without that cycle. And then work, try to go on the premium side. Don't work where there is crowd. Try to go on the path uncharted territory. And once you go to the uncharted territory, you have to put yourself on hook. If you develop this thing, you will make your own success coaching system, just like my success coaching system, and your life would be more easy. This system will also follow the Kaizen, will continuously improve. You can achieve any success in your life with this success coaching system. If you have any question, you can ask me now, or later on, you can reach me all these platforms. Over to you, my friend.